I'm learning the Linux terminal commands on my Chromebook and understanding how to compile a C++ program in Linux terminal while using the text editor. Using the regular text editor. Whoops. Okay, so this is the numbers that file that's in my search file. There, where is it called? Here's the numbers dat file. This is the linked list in this program, searchfiles.cpp. So I'm going to compile this right now on my Chromebook. This is the Chromebook Linux compiler. There's more details on how to build this when you're looking on YouTube. How do you have set up? You have to set up your Chromebook to be a developer. Give that option, and then you set this up by doing some putting in some Linux terminal commands to upgrade your compiler, and that you can find that. But for this case, for this video, I'm just gonna compile this file and see if I could do it successfully. One thing I've learned, normally I would use G++ as one of the commands for, and then I would put in the source file .cpp -o and then the new program name. But for this particular compiler, I believe I use C++, and then you put in search. Oh, I already built that one. Search file, tab, and I already built a program. So you know what? I already have it built. Okay, now this is the program name that's going to be the compiled name. This is the source file. This is the data file that's connected to it. That's being called in here. There's the linked list. So now I'm going to compile this search program. So it's /search p and then enter. Enter in an integer to be located, and this program is basically a list of 10,000 plus numeric entries with a pointer to that entry. So when you put in an entry, let's put 888. You're going to press enter, and 888 will associate the entry that's assigned to this particular memory location. So 888 is assigned 889, and again, that's from this number. The number dat file is called within this data file operator, and then the number dat, if I look for Control F 888, whoops, that was not what I wanted to do. Control F 888. As you can see, 888 is associated to 890. Oh, wait a minute, there's an error there. 888 is in index location 889. 888 is not. Oh, maybe I just shifted it. All right, I did something. Let me close this. No. All right, let me reopen it. Also, one thing, when you are working in a Chromebook, it's good to have a Linux file folder where you're going to point all your programs, all your CPP, your C++ programs. Now again, I'm going to find 888, and that's associated. Oh yeah, something's funky happening. All right, that's an error, man. All right, I don't know. That's something to bring up. Index is not 888, is not index location here. I got to remember what the professor was saying, but That's it. That was just I wanted to show you how I compile. ls is list out everything in the terminal in the Linux folder. These are the programs, and this is how you compile in this particular instance of Chromebook, where you could see if you need an up. I don't know. It's you need an upgrade. I need a list of some of my commands, but if you want to get an upgrade, I'm going to put a list of commands and start working that out. But learning Linux is a great thing. This is also similar to Unix and similar to the Mac terminal window, which uses Unix. So this is using Linux commands in a Linux environment. All right. Knowledge is power. Info is power. What you do with it. See what it is. Peace, love.